Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna. I am 25 years old. I live in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I'm a makeup artist. Aside from that, I also do hair, so let me know if you need your hair done. Today I have for you this look. I used all of my products from my BoxyCharm this month, which if you missed, it'll be in my Instagram highlights, so go check that out as well. I will have everything, all my social media linked down below if you're interested, which you should be because I'm great, but whatever, you'll eventually figure that out. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Alright guys, for starters, I'm picking up my Pero Primero primer from Alamaro Cosmetics. To be quite honest, I did not like this primer at all. It kind of dried down too quickly, and yeah, I just didn't like it, but I mean it works, so there's that. The palette I'm picking up today is the Natasha Denona Peak palette. This was a BoxyCharm exclusive, and I'm going to just go in with this bone color right here and apply that all over my lid to set my base. I really like all of the colors in this palette, and I think it's really awesome that it's a BoxyCharm exclusive, so if you're not subscribed to BoxyCharm, there's no way for you to have this palette, so I think that's kind of cool. Next shade I'm going to dip into is this really pretty nude, and I'm just going to apply that in the crease. I love Natasha Denona eyeshadows because they go on so smoothly and so buttery. Usually when I use my Painterly Paint Pot eye primer, with this one it kind of got a little splotchy, which is why I didn't like the primer, but I mean I made it work. You see, like in my opinion, you can make every single product work. So just keep blending away until you get your desired depth and until you feel it is blended out enough. So dipping into the darkest brown shade in the palette, I'm going to go ahead and pick up an angled brush and create a winged liner. So next I'm going to pick up the shimmery shade in the palette, and I'm going to apply that to my inner corners as well as my brow bone. Sometimes I like to connect the inner tear duct highlight to the brow bone highlight, so I'm just going to go in there and connect it, and then I'm going to go back in with a fluffy brush with no extra product on it and blend that out. So next I'm going to apply some mascara. I am using the Milk Makeup Waterproof Kush Mascara. I was really surprised with this mascara. I've never tried it before. The packaging was so heavy, which felt really, really nice. As for like the mascara itself, I'm just not impressed with mascaras, period, because I wear falsies all the time and my real eyelashes are just not great, so there's that. So now for skincare, I'm just going to put some Cetaphil lotion on my face. My face is really sensitive, that's why it's like red all the time, so I'm just going to apply some very basic moisturizer. I'm applying it to my face, and then of course don't forget your neck and your chest. Next, I'm going to go in with my Cheer Up eye cream by Pharmacy and just apply that underneath my eyes. For foundation today, I'm going in with the Tarte Face Tape. I am shade L22, and I'm using this beauty blender just to buff that out. For cream contour today, I'm picking up my Laura Geller Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Trio, and I'm picking up the bronzer shade. I'm just going to warm up the skin. I love this palette because it is so easy to use and it gives you just the prettiest bronziness and warmth to the skin. I already applied some e.l.f. concealer to my face, just on my forehead, a little bit on the nose, the chin, and under the eyes, and I'm just going to pick up this smaller beauty blender and blend it out. So next I'm picking up my Lasting Fix setting spray from Maybelline and just giving me a healthy spray. I'm going to let that dry down a little bit before I apply my powder. So going back in with those eyeshadows, I'm just going to sweep the same colors underneath my eye. So next I'm going to be picking up some Airspun powder, very, very lightly on a fluffy brush and just packing that onto my face. You want to use pressing motions and not wiping motions. To further contour my face, I'm picking up this Scott Barnes contour palette and I'm picking up the shades Diced and Carved, mixing those together and then just really carving out those cheekbones. Blush today, I'm picking up one of my favorites. This is Tarte Captivating Blush, and I'm just applying that all over my cheeks. So now I'm going to be picking up this Phase Zero blusher and bronzer trio, and I'm just going in with the blush, and I'm also going to bronze my face up a little bit. So to clean up my contour and blush a little bit, I like to pick up some powder on a beauty blender and just really pack that on underneath and let it sit for a minute. And then I like to go back in with a fluffy brush and just pack that in. It'll make sure that it looks very bright under there and it looks super chiseled and carved out. So next I'm going in with the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner in the shade Keep It Spicy. I'm just gonna line my lips. I'm going to top that liner off with the Tarteist Lip Paint in the shade Salty. I'm going to blend that out and go back and forth with the lip liner until I get the color I like. Also add a lip balm on top. So next I'm going in with my Kybrow Brow Gel. This is one of my favorite brow gels. I think it just holds everything in place and makes your eyebrows look so good. For bottom mascara today, I'm picking up the Il Makiage Iconist Mascara in the shade Brown. The lashes I'm using today are some of my favorites. I got them off of Amazon, and I'm also using my Clear Duo Lash Glue. I will link those Amazon lashes down below. They are my absolute favorite. I just think they're so nice and wispy and long. But yeah, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your comments down below. If you recreate it, please tag me in it so I can repost you. And yeah, I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.